Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use files on your laptop. First, let's find your files using File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. You can easily create new folders to keep your documents organized and tidy. Renaming files is also simple. Just right-click and select Rename to give them clear, descriptive names. This helps you quickly locate what you need later without any hassle. Moving and copying files is fundamental. You can easily move a file by clicking and dragging it to a new folder. To copy a file, hold down the Control key while dragging, or use the Copy and Paste options from the right-click menu. For multiple files, select them all, then drag or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Sometimes you need to delete files to free up space or remove old documents. Simply drag files to the recycle bin or trash icon. Remember to empty your recycle bin or trash regularly to permanently remove them. If you accidentally delete something important, don't worry. You can often recover items from the recycle bin by right-clicking and selecting Restore. For more advanced file management, utilize your laptop search function with keywords and filters to quickly find specific documents. You can also compress large files into a single zipped folder to save valuable storage space, which is great for sharing. Remember, keeping your digital space tidy is just as important as your physical one. Speaking of clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.